guys, remember me? It's your girl Amber here, and I know I haven't posted for a hot minute, but I do have my mystery box from the Heroes Tower, and this is the March box because I am so very far behind. I cannot stress or explain to you guys enough how busy I've been, but it has been unbelievable because I am part of my son's PTO at his school, and I just didn't realize how much of my time that was going to take. But I always try to make things as big and as awesome as I possibly can. So, I mean, maybe I'm putting too much effort into it, but I'm just built that way. So every single event and everything that we do for the kids is taking up literally all of my time to get ready to do it and all of that stuff. Plus I'm still working. Now my son's in T-ball. I mean, it has just been total chaos, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. I just want to let you guys know why I haven't posted for a hot minute and why this box, my favorite box, is late. I haven't even opened it yet, you guys, and I love this box and I look forward to it. So we're going to go ahead and dig into the mystery box from the Heroes Tower. Again, this is from March. So let's see what we got in here. Woo! All right, so Patreon. Who's the fastest man alive? I don't know. Is it the Flash? Not sure. Is it the Flash? I don't know. We'll have to find out. Okay, so here we have the note. Want a box, want to support Patreon is on the way. Oh. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to see. I don't know. Okay. We'll go over that in a minute. What? Whoa! Oh, uh-oh. Read off camera. Oh boy, what's going on, Chad? You got me scared. I almost want to stop and just see what all this is about. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm nervous though. All right, so here's my box for this month. Let's go ahead and jump into that. This is gonna be something fun and something cool. I love this box, you guys. I'll never get tired of it. It's just absolutely my favorite. Oh, how cute, a little Spider-Man, plush small thing. Look at that, you guys, so cute. I love this kind of stuff. Okay, so I have stuff everywhere, you guys, for my son's school. Again, I'm working on 1,000 projects. Oh, this is cool. Guys, I love the Lego things, the Lego themed things, and I think they are so super fun. And this is a Build It Michelangelo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is going to be fun. I love this Lego stuff, you guys. I can't explain it, but I really, really love it. And I love superheroes and I love Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So anything and any theme that I love is going to be great. I love this kind of stuff. Okay, cool. So this, March challenge. Ooh, April challenge item. Okay, so we'll do this last, you guys. I'm actually going to do it a little bit later because I just wanted to go ahead and get this unboxed, but I literally have to go pick up my son from school in just a few minutes. So I wanted to go ahead and try to get this unboxed though, because guys, I just feel like I'm never going to get it done. And by the time I get this done, then it's going to be the April box, if you know what I'm saying. Ooh, we got a fun little package of stickers in here. Let's see what fun things we got going on. Open this up. Oh guys, so awesome. Look, we got Thanos. I love that. That is so fun. I don't love Thanos. He's a jerk. This must be what, Hawkeye? Ooh, sorry, can you guys see that? All right, very cool. And is this this is Groot and the raccoon dude. Rocket, that's his name. Very fun. And I don't know who these people are, but there you go. There's a couple of people. I can't tell who they are. There's Groot. Love Groot. He's so fun, you guys. So super fun. Then we have Captain America. Love that. That's fun. Spider-Man. Boom. Look at all these stickers, you guys. Man, I just scored in stickers. This is Iron Man. Oh, that's a cute one. I like that. That is so fun. Okay. Then we have Black Panther. Love Black Panther. Oh, and the ultimate best superhero ever, Thor. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Guys, I still have to do my Thor shoes. I promise you all that stuff will eventually come, probably when my son is done with school. I'm just saying. I'm actually going to start preparing now for next year because now I know what they're going to need from me. Ooh, this is fun. Supergirl postcard. And I already have the postage stamp, you guys. He always puts the postage stamp in there as well, which is really nice. So we'll sit that right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, then we have some fun comic books coming. Ah! Thor! I love it! So we have a Thor comic book. Yes, please. I mean, I just love Thor. Batman with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's fun. Check that out. Oh, I love it. Well, this is cool. It's like a Spider-Man, holographic type situation. You can go certain ways and you can see the Spider-Man. Very cool. Oh, that was the card that I have to read off camera. Avengers. Okay. Alrighty, check it out, you guys. Wow, I really scored in the book category, did I not? I'm just saying. And then the coup de grace, the finale for this one, but of course we still have the craft challenge to do, is the Funko Pop. So what is it? Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. I got He-Man. What? Can you guys see it? Oh my gosh, let's pop him out of here because you guys know I'm not a box keeper. I'm the collector that everybody hates that will never have the box. People will be like, oh, she has a great collection, but she doesn't have any of the boxes. Yeah, that's right, people. I don't keep the boxes and I don't keep them in their boxes, but man, does he look good. Wow, you guys, this is so accurate. Like from the real, true He-Man cartoon that you watched when you were a kid. Oh my gosh, this thing is so incredibly accurate. I love him. I mean, I love him. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so fun. Okay, so I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to clean all this stuff up and then we'll go ahead and jump into the mini mystery box and see what goodies I got in there. Okay guys, so he has on here, who is the fastest man alive? I mean, the only person that I can think of is the Flash. Is it the Flash? I don't know. So let's open this bad boy up and see. Ah, I was right. I was right. It's the Flash. I was just guessing. Oh my god, I love the bag. How fun is this? So obviously this will not be a giveaway, guys. Sorry to disappoint, but I will show you what all is in here. I love it. That is so fun. See, I did get it right. I just, doubted myself for a second. Oh, I got a Flash figurine. I have no Flash figurines. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Okay, what other goodies? Like, this is supposed to be a mini box, guys, so he shouldn't have even really put anything else in there. I mean, I got a bag, I got a figurine, that he should have been done. I'm just saying. This is a mini one. This isn't like a big one. Thank you for spoiling me, Chad. I appreciate it. Oh, look, I got a cute little Flash button. Can you guys see that? That is cute. All right, so I got that, and then I have a Flash lanyard. Ooh, that's pretty awesome. I don't know. I wonder if I'll have enough Flash stuff to give him his own little cubby hole. I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, yes. I got a Flash, what are those things called? Iron-on. So, guys, I just did something really cool with all of my iron-ons. I made a really cool jacket with them. So, I want to work on something else that's really cool because I still have other iron-ons that I didn't get to use. And this one can go in that pile. I'll think of something really super fun for it, I am sure. And then I got this awesome Flash postcard. Check that out, guys. He did also give me the sticker that goes along with this. So that's all I'm going to unbox for you guys right now. I will come back probably in a different outfit and all that fun stuff, because after I pick my son up from school, I have to take him, I have a conference call as soon as I get home, and then I have to take him to t-ball practice. So this is just going to be a crazy night. So I most likely will not get to the craft item challenge today, but I will get to it most likely this weekend, because tomorrow I'm off from work because I have a full day of getting ready for a big fundraising event for my son's school. So I will get to it, I promise. That was way more information than anybody needed, but I'm just letting you guys know what's going on. All right, guys, so we're just going to pause the video right here. I'm going to read all of this information that Chad is giving me. He's kind of hitting me in all directions here. Let me see what he's got in his little card, and I'll let you know if I can share any of that with you, but he said to read it off camera, so probably not. All right, guys, I will be back soon with the craft challenge. Okay, guys, so I know I look totally different, but that's because I had to film this on a separate day. I had a really busy day, the day that I was filming that, and I needed to hurry up and go pick up my son. And once I get home, you guys, it's total chaos. I mean, the dogs need something, his dad needs something, he needs, it's just crazy. And I'm still working. So needless to say, I couldn't finish the video that day. So we're going to go ahead and finish it today. And we are finally to the craft challenge. Yay! So we'll go ahead and start with what Chad made, and then we'll get into what I made. So the craft challenge item for last month was a comic book. So we needed to make something creative out of a comic book. Let's go ahead and dig into this little thing here and see what Chad came up with. He also has the craft challenge item for the next month. So let's go ahead and dig in here, and oh, I love it. How creative. Oh, I just love it. So it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comic book, and he made coasters. How fun is that, you guys? He made coasters. Is it upside down? Sorry about that. He made a coaster. There you go. It's not upside down. So that's what it looks like from the front. And then here it is from the back with the little corkboard on there. How creative. He just went ahead and lined them with some vinyl so that obviously the comic book part wouldn't get messed up. But he used Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comic books to make his super cool coasters. And I got 4 of them. Well, that's pretty awesome. Thank you, Chad. That's very cool and very creative. So I have to say, I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, I had a couple of different ideas, and then I just decided to go with this one. So I made a vase. So I used a Spider-Man comic book, and I used a recycled jar from Alfredo sauce. I keep the jars, guys, and I recycle them. I turn them into something else. This time I decided to turn them into a vase. I just have some spring flowers in there, and then I just added some twine to the top part of the jar. But yeah, you guys, I just used the comic book to make this vase, and it was a Spider-Man comic. So, as always, guys, tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite, and they can both be your favorite, and they are both very different ideas to make with comic books, Chad's coasters, or my Spider-Man vase. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and again, this is all just in good fun, guys, so you can say both, whatever you want to say. So, we're going to go ahead and jump into what the craft challenge item is going to be for next month. Looks like it's going to be a shadow box, you guys. So, we have, well, it says it's a wood panel. Oh. Well, they're not using it as I was thinking, so I can do whatever I want. At any rate, I was thinking I would use it this way. That is actually supposed to be used this way, so you would paint something on the front and then be able to hang it up from back here. But I was thinking more of the interior part. I can do whatever I want, okay? I can do whatever I want. So I have this wood piece I need to make something with, and no one can help me, so don't give me any ideas, guys. I already have ideas spewing through my head. There's so many things you can do with something like this, and you could use it the wrong way, like I was going to, or you can use it the right way. I don't know which way I'll end up with. We'll have to see how it turns out. Okay, guys, so in Chad's note to me, he did have some updates that I can't really talk about, but just know that the box still moves on, so I still have this box each and every single month for you guys, but there's just going to be some changes that he's making to the structure of his business, okay? All right, guys, so again, this was the Heroes Tower mystery box, and right now you can find it on Cratejoy, but you'll also be able to find it on Patreon. I just want to throw that out there. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Ugh. Things are huge, huh? Hey guys, it's your girl Amber here, finally. I have my Heroes Tower mystery. What? I almost combined it with a mystery bag of awesome. Seriously? Like, seriously? What is going on with me? Oh my gosh. And literally everything that we do at my son's school, and then he started t-ball, and now I'm I forgot what it's called. And then something just came on my phone, so let's try it again. Hey guys, remember me? It's your girl Amber here. I'm finally ready to do my Heroes Tower mystery box. This is the March one, mystery box from the Heroes Tower. Guys, I cannot explain enough, or what's the words I'm looking for? Hey guys, remember me? Oh, it's not working. Okay. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I know I look totally different because I'm filming, boom! Nailed it!